Hi friends, today I am going to show you how to install Python on Windows. The latest version of Python is 3.91, 9.2. So we can get it the same Python setup. We can go to the www.python.org. Let me go through that, or else you can go through the google.com. Then you can search for it, right? Okay, google.com. Search for the Python download. So here you can see the python.org. Just click on this. Here you can see the download Python one. Just click on this, or else you can go to the download tab here. Under the Windows, you can go to download and Python 3.9.2. Okay, let me click on this download Python and let it show in the folder. Just double click on this setup. Here you can select the customize installation and click on next. So by default the Python will be installed in this folder. I don't want to install in the default one. I want to customize it. You can give any name for this folder. Let me click on install. So it will take some time to install this one. Let me pause this video. Wait. So you can successfully install this setup, right? Just close. Now check with the Python version from command prompt. Let me open command prompt here. Select, click, type Python version. You cannot find any Python version here because you have not set up any path for this Python programming. So for this you have to go to the default Python installation folder. We already customized it, right? So here you have to go to the Python 39. Just this is the interpreter for the Python. So let it copy this path and go to system properties here. So here this PC is there. Go to properties, advanced system settings. Under advanced tab, click on environment variables. Under system variable, just click on edit, or else just select the path and edit. Click on new. You have to copy the path for Python program. Just click on OK, OK, again OK. Now I don't want to do this. Now again go to command prompt. Now type Python version. You can see Python 3.91. Now you can select for pip3 install, pip3 module install and not pip3 version. So we have not seen any pip3 version here because we have not set up any pip3 installation. For that again you have to go to the default location for this Python installation. Under this you can see script here. Just double click on it and select this one. This is the pip3.9 3.9.exe. This is the path for pip3. Copy that path. Again go to the system properties and advanced system settings and advanced tab. Again click on environment variables. Now select path. Now then click edit. Click on new. Just copy that pip3 default path. Okay, just click on OK. Okay. Now close this window. No need of this one. Again I'm closing this one. Now open command prompt. Now enter pip3 version. See, this is the version of pip3 module, right? So this is how you can install the Python and Windows machine. Thank you. Thank you for watching.